Hello guys, welcome back to my this channel. In this video I am going to show you that how we have to use Microsoft PowerPoint in our mobile phone or iPhones. Now without wasting our time, we will start our work. Open Microsoft PowerPoint. We can click on new and then which type of you will want to see. I want this, okay? It's your choice what type of design you will take. Then click on this, click on pencil, okay? Now add tab, forward, edit text, okay? Then I will write here channel, okay? Then next page, next to I will write here something else, 7202 Marmik Patel, okay? Then I will write subscribe my YouTube channel, okay? Then it's well done. Now if you want to make another slide, you will click on this. No, you will click and you will make this font red, okay? So red, then you will bold you can see, okay? Then slideshow. In slideshow we will see that our is known as like this, okay? So add, then new slide is come, we will write something else here. What we have to write, click on edit text, write here 1 2 3 4 5 else something. Then you will want to save it, okay? So you will go here and click three buttons, save as. What name you will save as? I save XYZ, okay? And where I will do this device and downloads, okay? I will save it. The PDF was saving. Now if you want to check where it is my PPT and it is safe or not, you can again open Microsoft PowerPoint, then close, okay? You will see XYZ name something's document is here. You can click on it, opening. You will see that hello, okay? So you will something learn from my this video. So how would you like my this video? Please tell in the comment box. Please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Bye bye.